Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Matt Hansen, a great song that I found. It's actually called Found. It's a great guitar song. Obviously, he plays guitar, so it fits guitar very well, and you can actually see the music video. You're gonna have the exact same setup as we are going to use here. Why not? Because that's the correct version of it and to play. So we're gonna look into this, and I just gotta mention I love his guitar. Matt, you have a great, good-looking guitar there. So stay with that jewel and perform on it. Sounds great as well. So anyway, I have to get that out of my chest, and I can just mention my guitar here. I'm playing on the Anchor guitar, a great guitar as well. You can use my coupon code. I actually have one to get 10% off, even better price than it's like listed. So it's a good working guitar, and it fits many styles, and it's a well-built guitar. You can get 10% off, so check out my coupon code there, GoringGuitar10. Anyway, let's go into this one. Keep on second. You can see that he's playing that as well, Matt. So let's go over the chords needed for this one. So A minor, and it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the F major 7 with the C in the bass. So the F major C goes 3rd fret on A string, 3rd fret on D, 2nd fret on G, 1st on B, and open E. Then we have just a standard C chord. So that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open E. We also have a G6 chord. So that is 3rd fret E string, 2nd fret A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. Sometimes it plays that with the 1st fret B string also. It will be a version of G6 anyway, so it still stays in that area of the G6 chord. So open or 1st B, it's up to you. I play on the open, which is played mostly in the song if you listen for it. And then we have a transition chord left. It's the A minor / B, okay? So A minor was like that, and then you have a transition on the A minor B. Okay, so you keep that 1st fret B string there from the A minor, and then you just go up with a finger. I have my mid finger on the 2nd fret A. So that gives us 2nd A, open D, open G, 1st B, and open E. All right? So there we have all the tools. Now let's learn the strumming pattern. Let's go back to the A minor chord. And one round, very often played and used in songs, is like this. Okay? So it's first 2 downs. And notice I separate the 2 downs from each other. The first one is on the bass string, and the second one on the higher strings. So bass, top, and then you just play up, down, up. And that is one round. So down, down, up, down, up. All right, so let's start with the first verse. You're gonna play A minor, 2 string rounds, then the F C, 2 string rounds, then C, 2 string rounds, and the G6, 2 string rounds. You're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds. So let's go for one together. It sounds like this. That is the first verse. Then comes the first pre-chorus, through the darkest days, I believe is where what he sings is in the lyric, and it's about 27 seconds in. Now you're gonna play just one down of the following chords like this. Okay, and that's it. So it's A minor, then A minor B, and back, and then C. Okay, so A minor, B, and C. Then you stay on that C and play C, G, back to C, and then again you stay on that C and play one down, a pause, and then G6. Okay, so to repeat, A minor, B, C, then C, G, C, then C, and G. And that is a pre-chorus. One round, and then you're gonna go into the chorus play. And guess what? We're at 37 seconds in, and you're gonna play the verse play. A minor, F, C, C, G, 2 string rounds per chord for 2 chord progression rounds. Let's do one round together again. All right, so there you have it, guys. That's the first round. And I can just mention we have the instrumental parts where you're gonna play the verse play for another round. Verse or chorus played in the same way, doesn't matter. All right, into the second round of everything. The second verse, just repetition. 2 rounds of that. Sorry for the noise in the background. I think we have an accident or an ambulance going around there very closely. Anyway, that's the second verse. I think I mentioned that, repetition from the first. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. All right, after that second chorus, we're gonna hit the bridge parts. And we have a verse play still. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that verse and chorus, and that's it. Then we have the final outro part left, and you're gonna play the chorus. It's actually lyrics. Oh, now it's very loud outside. Hope you can hear everything. Yes. So you're just gonna have this outro parts, and it's a lyric. You're gonna play just 1 down, if you wish, per chord for 2 rounds, and that's it. All right, guys, so very exciting ending here on this tutorial. Matt Hansen, his song Found, and I hope you got the last part of it. It was very noisy. I think my gear can bring up the best of it, and yeah, I hope so. Till next time, guys, play tuned.